Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and today I want to share with you my renovation of the wood house that my hubby made me. I am doing renovations. I'm trying to improve the rooms, and this is the improvement. Here I have a little baby's room. I added a few more things to it. The flooring for the baby's room, the laundry room, and the bathroom, those weren't there, so that's new. I added that. So the flooring is just the cover of a decorative sheets notebook, and the cover had all the patterns that are in the notebook. So all I did was cut the cover out to the size of this room, and I used it as the flooring. Then next to the baby, I put a little teddy bear. This teddy bear is new. This one, I mean, it's not new. It's new in this room because I've had it from a flea market that I bought it at, and so I stuck it in there. It's a little oversized, but you know how you have teddy bears that are huge, so that's what that is. And up here, I have pictures of real babies. These are real babies in my family, and those are the little charms. Those kids are like 40 years old now. So I figured, let me put their pictures in there. Look how cute. Actually, those first two, those are my second cousins. See those two, the little boy and the little girl? And they're over 40. Today, they're over 40 years old. Then I have this little ceramic little house, which goes perfect on there. What else? I have the walker, and then the little play area, which I did myself. I just took a blue cardboard, glittery cardboard, and I stuck the blocks right on it with some buttons and the teddy bear in the middle, and then just added some more toys. Then I have this from Christmas. This is a rocker, you know, one of those rockers, like a, what is that, a horsey? I can't even see well. But anyway, so I got that from a Christmas ornament, and I put it in here. So, and this is the baby carrier. So then let's move over to the laundry room. The laundry room has some decorative pieces on the walls, and the dryer and washer, they're actually alarmed. You see the switch on the side there? The switch. You know what? I'm gonna move it so that you can see it. See that switch there? It says chime off alarm. Chime off alarm. You see it? They both have that. So when I saw these, I saw washer and dryer, and they go perfect in here because they're small, and that's an area that I just added on to the house. So the room, the baby room, the laundry room, and this bathroom, they were not actual rooms in this house. I just divided them with pieces of, you see, pieces of wood to divide to make 3 extra areas for the house. So this is the other bathroom. This is the full bathroom. And there's some contact paper on the wall. And for flooring, I used tissue. So you go to the Dollar Tree. Not tissue, napkins. You go to the Dollar Tree or wherever you go to get your napkins. And I pick out, excuse me, I pick out the nice ones, and look. Look at how nice they make rugs. They make very good rugs. Look at that. Pretty. Alright, so now that I've shown you the bathroom, the laundry area, a little hallway there to go to the room, the laundry area, and the baby room. Now that I've shown you that, I will leave you with this, and I'll be back to show you the other rooms once I'm finished decorating them and improving them. And thanks for watching. Look at the toilet paper over there and the soap. Don't miss that.